Today marks a milestone for the Pi network. March 3, 2026, the day the mandatory Mainnet protocol upgrade to version 19.9 went live. This isn't just a routine update, it's a foundational leap, much like upgrading your phone's operating system for better performance and security. The Pi core team coordinated a global effort, requiring all Mainnet nodes to upgrade by March 1st. Any that didn't were disconnected to ensure network unity. This move signals Pi's transition from a young project to a robust, professional digital currency ecosystem. For years, millions have mined Pi on their phones, waiting for real-world value. This upgrade is proof of real progress. Version 19.9 sets the stage for a more efficient, secure blockchain, bringing us closer to the open mainnet. For pioneers, it means your trust is being rewarded with concrete action. The V19.9 upgrade isn't just technical, it's a celebration of community achievement and the start of a new chapter. The journey ahead is brighter, more secure, and filled with new opportunities for everyone involved. Why is version 19.9 such a big deal? Think of it as reinforcing the foundation of a skyscraper before building higher. The upgrade boosts stability, security, and efficiency, making the network faster and safer for everyone. Pi is now running the latest Stellar consensus protocol, like swapping a standard engine for a high-performance one. This means faster transactions and the ability to add powerful new features in the future. The upgrade is part of a careful four-stage plan, set to finish by April 2026. Instead of risky, all-at-once changes, Pi's team is making smart, incremental improvements. This approach minimizes risk and keeps the network stable, a mark of professionalism in crypto. These upgrades are the invisible groundwork for a global currency that billions can trust. It's the hard work behind the scenes that sets Pi apart from other projects. With every upgrade, Pi's foundation grows stronger, fueling optimism for what's next. The journey doesn't stop at version 19.9. Pi's momentum is only accelerating. The next major upgrade, version 20, is already scheduled for March 12, 2026. This rapid, step-by-step strategy is Pi's strength, building quality with each release. Unlike projects that launch everything at once and risk chaos, Pi polishes each layer before moving forward. This iterative approach allows for quick adaptation and steady improvement without disruption. The team's transparency about the roadmap gives the community confidence and clarity. Each upgrade brings Pi closer to its goal, a powerful, open mainnet supporting a global economy. Progress isn't a distant dream, it's happening, version by version right now. The future is being built in real time, with every upgrade laying another brick. Pi's careful evolution is setting a new standard for blockchain development. Mainnet node operators are the unsung heroes of the Pi network. A node is simply a computer running Pi software, powering the network's backbone. Nodes authenticate transactions, maintain consensus, and ensure transparency, keeping the blockchain secure and trustworthy. The mandatory upgrade to version 19.9 showed just how vital these nodes are. Every operator had to update to keep the network unified. Imagine a city where half the traffic lights follow old rules and half new, chaos. Pi avoids this by ensuring all nodes run the same protocol. Running a node is a direct way for community members to strengthen the network's health and security. It's a step beyond mining, active participation in building the digital economy. As more people run nodes, Pi becomes more decentralized and resilient. These operators are the guardians of Pi's future. The market has noticed Pi's progress. After the upgrade announcement, Pi coins surged 5% and stabilized above $0.16. Daily trading volume exceeds $12 million and the market cap is over $1.5 billion. Clear signs of real interest. The price's steady climb reflects growing confidence, not just hype. Technical analysts see bullish patterns, with targets set above 0.18 and even 0.20. These moves are driven by solid fundamentals, network upgrades, and real development. The Pi core team's hard work is translating into tangible market confidence. As milestones like version 20 approach, positive sentiment is likely to continue. Pi's price action is now rooted in substance, not speculation. The world is starting to recognize the progress Pi's community has believed in all along. In crypto, whales, large holders, signal long-term confidence. Pi's whale count has grown to 20, with the largest holding 383 million coins. In February alone, this whale accumulated 17 million more Pi, an enormous vote of confidence. Whales do their homework. Their buying before major upgrades shows belief in Pi's future. When whales accumulate, supply drops and prices tend to rise, creating a stable price floor. Their confidence encourages smaller investors to hold, reinforcing positive momentum. Unlike projects where whales sell off, Pi's biggest holders are doubling down. This alignment between development and whale behavior is rare and powerful. The smart money is backing Pi's roadmap, boosting optimism for the entire community. Pi's value isn't just in its coin, it's in the ecosystem being built around it. The team is launching KYC as a service, offering identity verification to other businesses. This move positions Pi as a competitor to major platforms like WorldCoin, opening new revenue streams. With over 16 million users already verified, Pi's KYC system is proven and scalable. This massive, pre-verified user base is a unique advantage. Pi is evolving from a currency to a foundational technology provider for the digital economy. The focus is on real-world utility, not just speculation. Solving identity verification is a critical need for the future internet, and Pi is leading the way. As digital identity becomes more important, Pi's ecosystem will only grow in value. This strategic expansion is a powerful reason to be excited about Pi's future. The Pi community is buzzing about a potential listing on major exchanges. Kraken, a top US-based exchange, has signaled plans to list Pi coin in 2026, a huge milestone. A Kraken listing would boost Pi's visibility, accessibility, and trust, especially in the US market. Increased liquidity means easier trading and likely higher demand. Major listings often trigger a domino effect, with other exchanges following suit. This would transform Pi into a globally traded asset, fully integrated into the crypto market. Kraken's interest is a testament to Pi's strong technology, active community, and real-world utility. Even the possibility of such a listing shows just how far Pi has come and hints at an even bigger future. In crypto's noisy world, Pi stands out by focusing on substance over hype. The team's philosophy is quiet, consistent, and patient development, not chasing quick gains. Every decision, from phased mainnet rollout to careful upgrades, reflects a commitment to lasting value. Pi isn't about flashy marketing, it's about building a secure, scalable blockchain and onboarding millions. The recent upgrades and whale accumulation are the result of years of tireless work, not hype. This approach builds real trust and a strong foundation for the future. As Pi members, we're part of a movement that values integrity and vision. True success comes from steady progress, not loud promises. The future is bright because Pi is built with care, patience, and a relentless focus on real value.